Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Kristen.
And what are you making today?
I'm making. I'm making smoothie.
Yes, a green smoothie. Okay, tell everybody what we're going to put in the green smoothie.
I'm going to make in the smoothie.
All right.
Bananas and apples and oranges.
Excellent. And do you know what this is?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a cucumber.
Almost zucchini. Zucchini. And then here, do you know what this is?
No.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Half an avocado. Do you remember what these are?
Yes.
What are they? Hemp seeds.
Hemp seeds.
And then this is sea moss gel.
Water.
Yep, and water. So those are our ingredients, guys. Let's go over it real quick. We got 1.5 cups of water. We have 1 frozen banana, 1 whole zucchini, 1 apple, 1 orange, a mix of greens, kale, and other like baby spinach, baby kale. And then here we have a half an avocado, about 2 tablespoons of hemp seed, and about 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel. So the first thing we're gonna do is, you wanna pour your water?
Yes.
Hold on, move my hand. Okay. Go ahead, pour it on. Okay. And then what do you want to do next? You want to add your greens or your fruit?
Fruit.
Okay.
Frozen treat. And it tastes like one of these in any hot pot. Containers that we use in the description below. Awesome. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put our lid on because we have so much stuff in there and we're going to blend it.
Okay, so we have it all blended up now. Kristen's gonna taste. What do you think? It's good?
But we need to add some more carbohydrates.
Just a little bit? Add some more agave? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add a little agave. Hold on before we turn it on. That was probably about
I don't see it after. Yummy.
All right, let's get another little taste test.
Oh, Mario taste test.
Another little taste test. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Is that better? Awesome. Ready to put in the cups now? Hold on. We got to tell them bye. What did we tell them?
Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below. And don't forget to say bye.
Oh, bye. Say it again. Bye.